PES Technologies have developed an in-field soil health measurement tool which gives results based on chemical, physical and biological indexes such as organic matter, microbial biomass and bulk density. The sensor acts like a dog's nose. Like you can train a dog to sniff various scents, we sniff various communities of volatile organic compounds which correlate to soil health indexes and can be extrapolated through the electrical fingerprint created. We've developed the reader to be used in-field, giving geolocated, real-time results to your phone via app in 5 minutes. We recommend downloading the app and running through the setup before selecting a field to sample. You will need signal to set up a farm and to set up a field. Once you're in the field, you can then select that field and carry on with the analysis. We recommend using the unit in line with your standard soil sampling procedure and protocol, making sure you take a representative sample which is well homogenised before placing into the soil puck and starting a test. When you load it into the soil puck, make sure the soil is level with the surface, don't over-compact it and don't overfill it because you'll end up with soil in the machine. Once you've loaded up the soil puck into the machine, close the drawer, a half turn on the knob will seal it up, you don't have to over-tighten it, and then run through the stages through the app to start a test. Once the test is started, the test will be geolocated. If you are using the machine in an office environment, please make sure you take a what 3 words location beforehand whilst you're out in the field sampling. Once the test is started, you can then pick up the unit and move on to your next sampling location. That geolocation has been locked in and the test will run as normal once you're moving around. So you can move to your next sampling point, take a sample. Once that test is finished running, you have your results, you'll be able to start a new test straight away. We recommend taking a sample from an unfarmed area of the field, such as a hedgerow. That will give you a reference point, something to target in terms of improving your soil health. Once the test is finished and you have phone signal, you will receive your results within about 5 minutes. If you have no phone signal, the machine itself will store about 30 tests on its internal memory until you receive phone signal or a Wi-Fi signal. Those results will then be delivered to your phone via an app or tablet, which you will then be able to export those files as PDFs or CSVs. Once the test is finished, you'll be prompted to open up the soil drawer, remove the puck and discard the soil. Once you've discarded the soil, place the puck back into the machine, close the drawer, and you're ready to go again. As part of the Truth project, we are developing our fungal bacterial ratio and microbial diversity dataset and hope to have those indexes available on app as outputs of our reader unit by the end of the project. In the meantime, we will be using the reader units themselves with the root rangers to give us some feedback on usability and hope to share those results within the soil circle. If anyone has any issues with the usability of the machines, please contact support at PES Technologies and we'll get you sorted.